Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to do this fun, twisty half updo. This is actually a really easy style. It is a little bit repetitive, which is great because it makes it that much easier. Let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, let's go ahead and start by pulling some hair back. I don't recommend grabbing a full half head of hair, just a little bit. Go ahead and use a clear hair tie. You can use any hair tie, but I think that the clear ones are best for this because you really don't want to see any ties with this style. Now after that, make a little part, flip the hair through, and then you can grab each twist and just pull on it a little bit. I just think it looks a little bit better fluffy. You don't have to do this, but I think it looks nice. Now after that, you're going to want to grab two pieces of hair directly from right under where you just tied. Then secure that with a clear tie. You're going to do this really the whole entire way down. Once you have your tie in, you will grab each side and fluff it. Now don't get discouraged because right away you're not going to see this beautiful fluff. That's totally fine. Trust the process and just keep making your way down. One piece of advice is after you do put in each tie, I recommend just kind of running your hands through and making sure it didn't grab any other strands. These clear hair ties can get a little bit sticky. Now the second piece of advice I have is to make sure that you do grab directly from under your last tie. The reason being is if you start to grab hair a little higher up or maybe a little wider out, you're going to start to create a totally different look. It's not going to be symmetrical and it might look just a little bit funky. You can also create as many as you want. I did 4. I thought about doing 5, but depending on your preference and hair length, that's totally going to be up to you. So like I was saying, pretty repetitive, right? Now if you do start to create this style and you're not loving how it looks at first, don't get discouraged. You know, it does take a minute just to kind of get into the groove of things. But once you do, it truly is going to go, it's going to be a really fast hairstyle for you to put together and you're going to love it. After all of your ties are in, the very last thing I recommend doing is just going in and pulling on each one of them, just making sure they're all the same size, making sure you like how everything looks. And that is truly it, you guys. If any of you try this and you love it and you end up posting it, definitely tag me on my Instagram. I would love to see it. It's at leah.dryer. I'll put it below. And if you thought this was helpful, please also like and subscribe. I have a lot more videos I cannot wait to share with you.